We get this question all the time. A lot of people understand the value of PPC when it comes to money because you can put in $10 and if everything goes right, you can make 100 or more back. On SEO, sometimes it's a little bit tougher to understand exactly what is my money going to go towards and should I actually invest in SEO to make money back and get traffic? The answer is yes, absolutely. So when I hear SEO, I probably hear something different than everybody else. Most companies, when they hear SEO, they hear company coming in, maybe making some updates to the website, and they don't really see how that's going to drive traffic to their site. For us, SEO is more than just that. SEO is an entire comprehensive strategy that includes both content, link building, yes, on-page updates, technical fixes, and a lot more. So when it comes directly to your traffic, there's two of those pieces that really help that out. Obviously, keyword targeting is super important for your SERPs, making sure people can find you when they search for you, but that doesn't necessarily help, target the amount of keywords that are out there. One thing you can really do though in SEO is link building. Especially in the B2B space, if you want to show up where your customers are, you need to actively go after that. The chances that someone that's huge in your space, whether it's a publication or a non-competitor but related company, is going to mention you are pretty low unless you do something about that. So you can put your name out there, you can come out with the coolest product in the world, whatever your services are. If you don't reach out to the right people in the right spaces, the chance that anyone's going to find you and come to your website are low. So that's where SEO really comes in. Using an agency like ours or an in-house SEO person, someone who knows what they're doing, you can find the right prospects, reach out to them with the right cadences, and really build that relationship that you need to make sure that people know that you are the right solution in their space. On top of that, once you create that first link, it's a really great kind of snowball effect. If you get that really high domain authority link, if you show up in that magazine or that digital publication that everybody in your space reads, well, chances are people are going to read that and they might retweet it, they might put it on their site, they might blog about it as well. And now you're starting to get noticed beyond just the one place that you got that link. That's really important to make sure that you're constantly in the conversation to drive that relevant traffic back to your site. On the flip side, you can do it yourself with great content. If you have great content with great keyword research behind it, you're going after the right questions that people are asking in your space, chances are you're going to find that B2B audience pretty quickly. It just takes a little bit of research and understanding exactly what the intent is behind certain queries. So if you write, basic topics around, X reasons why this keyword is important, you might do it, you might get some traffic, but that's not a sustainable model. For your content, you really need to look at what the trends are in the industry, using tools like BuzzSumo and others, and seeing exactly what gets shares out there, what are people actually engaging with. Write content around that. That paired with a link building strategy is actually super powerful. So if you're writing a piece of content directly designed at the B2B space, it's going to get shares because you've done your research. The keyword volume is really important and it's really high. You're actually going to get those queries that you're looking for. But if you pair that with link building and reach out to maybe some of the companies you're mentioning in your content, chances are they're going to like that. They're going to mention it themselves either in their blog or their social media. And again, you've just fostered a little bit of a B2B relationship that you can use to further your content strategy from there. Maybe think about some partnerships down the road. So SEO really can lead to new avenues in your business that most people don't think about if they're just thinking about on-page updates. Hey, this is Jesse. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to see more, and if you have a Quora question, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and we'll answer it next time. Thanks for watching.